Ambia bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Just in case you're new here, my name is Naomy Kikky and I'm so glad to have you back on my channel. It's been some time since I introduced myself, and today is on Thursday. I'm starting this vlog on a Thursday and I'm going to town. I'm in a hurry, so I'm going to town. I have some errands. I have some packages that I want to pick in town. Then I'll be having lunch with Patience, and you know she's the queen of keeping time, so I don't want to keep her. It's already at 1 now. We're supposed to meet at 2:30. I'm just hoping I will keep time, because tukisemanga tu it's 2:30, she'll be there at 2:30. Yeah, so I don't want to keep her waiting. I want to do some car makeup. I just wanted to introduce this vlog. I'll see you guys in a few. Let me do my makeup quickly off camera, because nikianza kufanya hapa kwa camera I'll take all the time in the world. That's my simple outfit. I look so gorgeous. This cute maroon dress and my white Air Force and this bag that I got from Italy. Yeah, that's just about it. And my makeup is giving. I know you guys can see, but right now I just want to step out because I'm late already. My makeup is just giving what it's supposed to give. I'm looking so pretty. This is my dress and this bag here and my Air Force. But see that makeup, you guys, I look so dope. I look so gorgeous. Yeah, so let me see you guys when I get to town. And yeah,
I can take you on the cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down.
So I've already picked one package, one more to go, but right now I want to go and meet Patience because I'm actually late. It's 3:30. So I'm going to meet Patience at Hilton, and I think I'm there already. Yeah, I'm there. So now we cross the road. I've never seen you on stage.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Finally. Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah.
Me too, but you're going to send me this video because
I can listen.
But you look nice, like me.
Thank you.
Actually, me and Salon have done the thing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you
Love if you're so showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their loss if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards cause if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down, cause if you down, I can take you on the cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple down.
For myself, I'm having vanilla milkshake, and Patience is having coffee as usual.
Chakula yangu. It's nice, eh? Hello. What are you having?
Burger and salad. This is also mine.
Of course.
This also.
This is non-alcoholic. This is alcoholic. Everything is yours.
It's not alcoholic.
Anyway, let's cheers. Mm.
It's lovely.
Of course, it's lovely. Duh.
Hebu tufungie hii video. Uko tipsy? Uko tipsy? Funga video. So what?
Okay, let me put myself. That drink pale mkononi. Yeah, we had a good time. At least I called her out and she came.
Yeah.
She was always late.
I was not late. Sikukuwa late sana. Kidogo tu.
But you were late.
Kidogo.
Yeah, I was in town by 7 a.m.
Walai.
Hey.
Wow.
You should work on that.
Hata nilikuwa nimewaambia like siwezi kufail leo.
Eh?
But I tried.
But at least you tried.
Yeah, I tried.
And I occupied myself so I didn't feel bad. I occupied myself so it was okay. And then we went at the right time. She found me waxing and then pushing off.
Okay.
So yeah, we came to Art Cafe. I had a salad because I had already eaten fries, whatever place I was in. For her, you ate what? A burger. That is still
Here.
on here.
Yeah.
She hasn't finished. And what else?
And milkshake.
Tons of cocktails. We had like
Me, I had milkshake. Vanilla.
Milkshake
As a baby.
And we had coffee as per usual. And then we had tons of cocktails. So we took passion, that is pineapple mojito, and then we also had like Long Island. So we were like sharing because it was happy hour and you buy 50% of the price in Art Cafe.
Yeah.
All the Art Cafe.
Yeah.
You don't have to ask where we are at. You know what I'm saying?
I will tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Please guys, please subscribe to my channel. I don't even need you to subscribe because I have that enough. Please go and watch my content.
Please watch her content.
I'm high.
Mambia bye.
Okay, bye. See you
If you're down, I could take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put an ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe.
Imagine, babe, akisununua tu round moja. Na sumesema utalipa 50 bob. Imagine, hata erini hangout na unye. Kuliko udem. Imagine, atika kulipa 50 bob. Kwa bill.
Niongeza sini 500.
Huh? Ata jibei.
Mimi nilipe hiyo soya juu.
Ati?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Kange hivyo.
Sasa nimeenda kukua hivyo. Imagine baby. Aki baby sikiza ngoma. Ngangana.
Mapema ni saa mbili.
Imagine, hata una adabu ukienda home. Unaenda wapi?
Hebu turudi. Share your story.
Period.
We're going to
Period.
Hi loves, welcome back to this vlog. So this is on Friday. Yesterday we went out with Patience and it was so fun. We had fun. I could really have fun, and then we came home late, and yeah, this is the following day. I woke up kitambo, and right now I just wanted to show you the power bank, the gift that I received yesterday. It's a power bank. You can see it has my name, my YouTube logo. Wow, I love it. Thank you so much to the person who gifted me this. It's so cute. I really appreciate. Totally, I love it. I'm so in love with it.
We could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Let me feel so sure when I'm with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from there, that's what I want. If they try to break you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their loss if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Baby, we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I attention, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say, I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say, I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you.
I soaked my towels yesterday at night, and I just want to wash them before anything else. Yeah, I normally soak them with hot water, very hot, and jik, of course, the colored one, and then nikiamka napatanga like zimetoa uchafu yote. I just have to wash them kidogo, and then I'm done. Yeah.
When I touch you, we go down if you down. Just let me know if you're down. I can take you on a cruise if you're down.